After preparing, transforming, and analyzing your data in Monarch Data Prep Studio, you can export tables and summaries to formats that may easily be shared with others in the team. This video shows us how to set up the layout of these tables and summaries for when they are exported and printed out. For a summary such as this, click on Page Setup from the Edit Summary window. From the Preferences tab, we can set the page margins, show or hide grid lines and column titles, and specify whether suppressed values in the summary definition will be repeated for each page. You can also set the paper size and the orientation. A page header can be left aligned, centered, or right aligned, and can take up to 3 lines. You can type directly into any of the boxes, or you can click on the arrow to add macros for the header. You can put in the page number and total number of pages, date and time, the filter or sort applied, the summary to be exported, workspace information, or even the first field value of a specified field. As we'll see later, these macros allow us to include variable information at runtime. Let's put in the summary name along with the date and time for when the export is printed out. You can also customize the page header font. The footer also has the same properties that we saw for the header. This time, let's put the page number and the number of pages at the bottom part of each page. Now let's create an export for the summary. Leave the defaults and just choose the summary whose layout we set up earlier. Run the export and open the file. In the print preview, we see our page header with the summary name and timestamp. At the bottom, we have our page number and total number of pages. We've just seen the page setup for a summary. For a table, this is configured right at the export. We would also set the page setup preferences, header layout, and footer layout.